Hello, and this is another video on how to Mac. In this video, I'll show you how to create font collections in the font book application on your Mac. So the first thing I must do, obviously, is launch that application. Either I can use a launchpad um, or some other method that you may like to use. So when this font book opens up, you have a bunch of the fonts that came with your Mac when it was brand new, and maybe some fonts that you might have downloaded from the internet. And you can just click on each one to get a preview of one in different sizes. You get the bold previews, italics, and regulars, and a bunch of other stuff in Fontbook. So let's say there's a few fonts that I like to use because maybe I don't know, maybe it's just a font that catches my eye, and I don't want to have to go through all of these fonts just to find the one font that I want to look for. Well, this little plus button down here comes in handy. You can create your own customized font collections, and alright, let me just rename this my favorite fonts. My favorite fonts. Well, either way. So that's the collection that I have created. And so if I want to add some fonts, I go back up here to all fonts. And let's just say I like to use Chalk Duster as one of my fonts. So I can simply click on that font and drag it to the collection that I created. And let me see here. Franklin Gothic, I can drag that in here as well, and Futura. So now if I go back to my collection of fonts that I created, here they are right here. And that way when I'm working on a Pages, Numbers, Keynote, text edit, whatever, I won't have to scroll through these 377 fonts just to find the one font that I like to use. So that is how to add fonts to font collections in the Fontbook application.